Hi, good evening, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, I'm going to make it really quick. I've had a couple of people from our support group ask about Vega OS from Amazon. So I want to present to you what are 5 downsides to switching to Amazon Vega OS. If this is your first time to the video or to the Stream Machines, thank you so much for tuning in. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and subscribe to the channel, as we love to build this channel organically. Now, if you've been under a rock or just didn't know, over the last 6 to 7 months, there's been rumblings about Amazon finally switching to Vega OS. So I just had to ask a question and try to find out some great information that I could, because this is one of the number one popular, the most popular Android device is an Amazon Fire Stick. So what are some of the downsides of Vega OS? So we're just going to make it really quick. And just to help us out, I'm going to go right here so you can see what we're talking about. This is Vega's OS's operating system on the Fire Stick, 4K, 4K Max, and Fire TV Cube. So one of the biggest drawbacks, is loss of the official Amazon features. In other words, no Alexa voice integration, no Amazon App Store. You'll have to rely on maybe some third-party applications. I also think they're blocking some third-party apps. So limited or no integration with Prime Video. They're trying to make this seem like a Roku. So some of the Amazon features might be missing, but we just got to stay tuned to find out. So the second thing that's going to be a drawback is more manual setup and maintenance. So unlike the Fire OS or Vega OS isn't plug and play. So you'll have to do a lot of manually installing, and if you're trying to sideload lapse, you'll have to do that if it'll let you. You're going to have to configure most updates and get permissions. But the old way was perfect for tech savvy. The Vega is perfect for tech savvy users. But for a casual user, they might get a little bit frustrated with how it's not as automatic and smooth as it used to be. So the third reason to have a drawback here is maybe some potential app compatibility issues. So Vega OS supports a wide range, of course, Amazon apps. Some Fire Stick or Fire specific DRM protected resolutions or applications may not run as perfect as they want. So be in understanding that some applications that used to work on the Amazon Fire Stick and Amazon Fire Stick 4K or Fire TV Cube might not work as well. All right. So you got to be a bit more flexible with the OS. And the number 4 reason why this is a big drawback here is security. And just the security issue, security and warranty considerations. So one of the things that made Fire Stick so good is they had a really good warranty on it. And because of the Vega OS, it's more for tech-savvy people. It might void the Fire device warranty. It'll disable official or other applications so you can't enjoy them. Most Android devices are completely open, giving you, the consumer, the casual streamer, the privilege and the ability to make and personalize something around the Fire Stick. So you got to understand that security might be at an all-time high because we don't know where it's going to land, and some warranty considerations because some people just, they want to turn it in if it doesn't work right away. And lastly, the learning curve for users. Vega OS has a different interface and settings layout compared to Fire OS. It might take a little time to learn the navigation. Some users may find it less familiar. Anything new is going to look unfamiliar. Repetition is the king of anything we do in our life. So these are the 5 drawbacks that I was able to find and just share with you about Vega OS. Now, since it's brand new, I am pretty sure that a Fire Stick or Amazon is going to look for ways to keep some of the features intact, but we got to keep our fingers crossed and our eyes open. We can't be blind to the fact that you might need to look at some other alternatives when it comes to these types of devices. So in my next video, what I'm going to do is give you 5 different devices as Fire Stick alternatives, and I think they're pretty good, from the most expensive to the less expensive. Options are your best friend when you're looking to cut the cord and save money on your entertainment bill. My name is Jeff. It's been a pleasure being with you in this short video. Please share this video with someone you care about, and I look forward to the next video where we can really dive into some alternatives so you'll be able to make up your mind and get the best streaming device for your streaming needs. With that said, we'll see you in the next one.